The front cover of our pocket watch sale catalogue features this historic timepiece from Cartier. Created in platinum, this open-face, keyless-wind pocket watch features a jump-hour complication. Jump-hour pocket watches date back at least to the 1820s, but in the early days only really found favour with French manufacturers. These mechanical digital watches took off in popularity during the 1920s, with their Art Deco styling and strikingly different appearance. This watch is powered by a high-grade 19-jewel movement by the European Watch Company. This was a manufacture set up by Cartier and Jaeger in 1919 to provide quality movements exclusively for Cartier's use. This watch would have been one of the earlier examples of their work. The delicate guilloche finish to the dial and the contrast of the blued steel hands with the cool platinum indicates the quality of design that has made Cartier legendary. Presented in its original fitted box, this is lot number 123 and is estimated at £7,000 to £9,000.